How old do you need to be to get into the remote closing or appointment setting industry? Let's talk about it.
Welcome to Remote Closing Rapid Fire.
Hey, what's going on? Aaron here with another episode of Remote Closing Rapid Fire, a series where we break down some of the most frequently asked questions from you in the comments or from other people on other platforms. So let's answer the question at hand of how old do you need to be, or is there an age limit when it comes to getting started with remote closing? Now, the quick answer is not exactly. And I feel like this is kind of the same thing with a lot of them. It's like yes or no, but there's like stipulations within that. Now, the main aspect when it comes to you needing to be a specific age all comes down to the contracts that you have to sign with these specific companies. So again, when you're going in and signing a contract to join a company, right, and through some sort of offer, is you have to be over 18 to sign any sort of legal binding contract. And now don't let the word contract scare you. That's more just to have your information on file so that they can pay you and they can send you a 1099 form. And again, you have to be a certain age. In most places, I'm not 100% on like all places within the world, but in most cases, you do have to be a certain age in order to fill out those forms, usually over the age of 18. So with all that stuff being said, if you are under the age of 18 and you can't sign your own forms, you can have your parents sign for you. So as long as you're having a conversation with them, you're opening communication of, hey, I'm going to be doing this thing, right? This thing, appointment setting, closing. You might have to have a little deeper conversations to help them understand exactly what you're doing. Because coming from experience, my parents are a little bit more of like an older school mindset where they don't really understand the internet that much. So when I started making money online, they were like, I don't know what you're doing, but like keep doing what you're doing. And the thing is my dad still doesn't even really know what I do. He knows I make money online, but he doesn't really know how. So to put a bow on this episode, is there a specific age limit? Not necessarily, but if you are under 18, you just got to make sure that when you're in communication with some of these companies is that you are of age to be able to sign contracts. And if not, you're going to have to talk to your parents. Now, if you want to take some of the information that you're learning in this series, make sure to click the link down below. It's going to bring you to a full-on video that breaks down the step-by-step of how to get started with remote closing literally in the next 30 days to start making money. Or you can check the playlist on screen. It's going to bring you to the full remote closing rapid fire playlist, so you can check it out over there.